In this video, we're looking at interpreting stem and leaf graphs. This is a little bit new to me as well, but the key idea here is when we're reading these data tables, the stem is the first part of the number, or the first digit, and the leaf is the second part of the number. So in this example, it says, Kelly counted all the beads in each necklace at the jewelry store where she works. What is the largest number of beads? So beads per necklace. So what this is actually saying is she counted one that was 34 beads. So I'm just going to write that there. Down here we see 43, 47, and 47. So this is kind of the key idea here. Oops, I forgot 43, 47, and 47. Understanding how you read the data. So 53. It's a little hard to see. The next one, 62 and 65. 62, 65. And this says 74. 74. So what is the largest number of beads in a necklace? Obviously, it is 74. 74. This example says, the owner of a plant nursery wrote down the number of roses on each bush. So again, remember this means 31, 34, 37, etc. So it's asking us, how many bushes have fewer than 68 roses? So 68 is there. So how many out of all of these bushes have less than 68? So 1, 2, because that's 67, 67. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Because there's 17 recorded here that are less than 68. That's 67, 59, etc. I'm going to check that. 31, 34, 37. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep. Answer, 17 are less than 68 roses. Last example says, the Hillsborough Chamber of Commerce researched the number of employees working at a local companies. So company sizes, number of employees. So we have, this is a big one. 13, so 131, 139, 142, etc., 186, etc. So how many companies have at least 107 employees, but less than 190? Well, 190 isn't even on here, so we're just going to find 170. Okay, so at least means including 170 and more. So that's 1 with 170, 2 with 170, and now we're at more than 170, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 companies, because these have like 180, 185, 186, 176, 176, 178. 9 companies. Okay, that's it for this example in this section. Good luck.